and we're delighted to be here in NNE Precision here in Longford town today, supporting. So Longford County Council is a partner of the DreamBig programme, and we're working along the ATIM cluster in Tucson Athlone. So that's the Advanced Technology and Manufacturing cluster. So we're delighted to bring a group of students for Longford and to experience all the wonderful things that are happening in our advanced manufacturing companies here in Longford. And it just gives the students an opportunity to see what career opportunities are within the companies and the different pathways that can get you at college. There's not one pathway for everybody.
I was delighted to get the opportunity to participate in the DreamBig program, and I got to see so many different companies. Originally, I was considering a career in law, but after this experience, I have really looked into doing a career in science, and I definitely think it would be something I would want to do after school.
We're 20 years in business actually last December. We specialise in precision engineering, machining, predominantly in aerospace industry, environmental, oil and gas, general engineering and medtech. I suppose with kids of your own, and I suppose, you know, growing up through going to national school and starting in secondary school, they really don't know what they want to do. And I suppose when Christine reached out, like, we thought it was a phenomenal idea to actually educate them on the various industries in the locality, particularly, you know, from moulding to pharmaceutical to precision engineering, food sector. And it really opens their mind to different ways of actually gaining a career. It doesn't necessarily have to be, you know, go to college, do a course, then not like it and then drop out. I think it's very, very important that they actually get an understanding of the industry.